Hey everybody, I want to say thank you guys again for joining me. All the traction you guys are giving me, keep giving me the energy to keep making videos. If you guys follow me on Instagram at +5, the S is a number 5 by the way, you guys will see that I had made a post saying that I'm just sitting here wondering why 9XTAILS isn't in SEMA in a booth. Well, I'll be making a video on that soon, but basically I didn't hit the timeline, so but we'll talk about that. Anyways, this video is about LED bulb conversions that I've done on my Halogen jeepjlu Sport S, and I went with a Beamtech 6500K fanless LED conversion. Basically because the reality is that the halogen bulbs, one, get a lot hotter than the LED counterparts. Two, even because it's fanless, one, there's no driver. The driver's built in, so I have no extra wires or a box to try to stuff somewhere into the housing or drill a hole and put it somewhere else. The other thing is that basically what ends up happening is you turn it on, lights get triggered, heat gets cooking, and from the videos that I've seen of guys running these, there's a lot of dudes, not myself, that run, they're running to see the lumens, what's the max output, how hot it gets, is it waterproof, they dunk test the bulbs. You guys have probably seen some of these LED videos. The end of the day, this thing gets, I think, 120 degrees. The factory halogen bulbs get something about 350 to 450 degrees. So we're good right there. On the fog lights, I went with a company called SeaLight. I had a hard time finding the specific bulb size, which was a PSX 24W, I believe. So I ordered 5202s, okay? Guys on the forum say that, oh, they work. Well, let me tell you something. Yes, the locking parts work. The alignment tabs where they line up, as far as which way it goes, you have to modify it. So be warned, I had to take a razor blade and basically cut off 2 little pieces of plastic. It clicked on after that, worked fine. It seals tight with the O-ring. So I'm just letting you guys know that the one SeaLight sent me were a 5202, but the factory halogen fog light bulb on a Sport that I have, at least, which is a 2018, a late 2018, early 2019, is technically a PSX 24W. It came out really well, and they look really good. All right, let's get to the next part, which is probably what you guys are wondering. And with all the money that I've been spending on 9XTAILS, which I have another video coming out talking about the build cost of it, I basically wanted to go start at the bottom and go to the top on the lighting, just because I'm not really as far into lighting. Most of the wheeling I do is daytime. When I was. And you're probably wondering why I don't have Mopar LED, the options at least, because mine didn't come with it. They're also $900 for 6000K, blue-white color. The other options are like Oracles or Diode Dynamics. The Diode Dynamic Elite headlights, I believe they're running somewhere about $900 to $1,200, depending on if you get the normal one or you get the the better model that has like turn signals inside of the headlight. Then you have the eBay and Amazon lights, which I don't really trust. You have stuff like Casey's Gravity LED Pro, something like that's still going to cost you about $900. I ended up picking up the Beamtech LED headlight conversion 6500K fanless set for literally $33 shipped to my door. It was off eBay. And for the SeaLight 3000K solar yellow, I believe is the color, it was also, I think, $35 roughly, so I guess under $70. I believe I got a lot of performance for the value, so we'll see how these go. I'm talking to some light vendors right now. They might change out my headlights, they might do a lot of things, but at the same time, for right now, I just didn't want to deal with the damn yellow, like not even yellow, they're like peach, the color of halogen. I mean, if you guys agree with me, leave a comment below, but those things aren't yellow. They always say they've got a yellowish hue. To me, I changed the fog lights. That shit looked yellow, excuse the French. But the halogens look peach or something to me. They don't have the punch. that the yellow LED does. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I really appreciate you guys joining me and checking things out, and even interacting with me on Instagram or on +5 on YouTube, sorry. But I just want to say thanks again. Please like, subscribe, and share if you like this type of thing and you want to see us go on our shakedown run and future expeditions using 9XTAILS and seeing how far these military Goodyear 47s can do before I have to actually go and switch to some type of crawler tire. Subscribe, check it out. Please leave a like, it helps the algorithm, a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Oh, if you guys are wondering what's up with the bats, tomorrow's Halloween here in America. It's October 30th while I'm filming this, but I'm probably going to release it tomorrow on Halloween. So happy Halloween, everybody. And be safe out there. Check your kids' candy if you have them. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.